Imagine you're riding a bicycle for the first time. You're excited, but also a little scared. What if you fall? What if you crash? So what do? You wear a helmet, you go slow, you look both ways. Congratulations, you just did risk management, and you didn't even know it. What is risk management? Definition: risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to potential problems before they happen. Or in simple words, it's a smart way to protect yourself, your team, or your business from bad surprises. Famous quote: "The greatest risk is not taking any risk." Mark Zuckerberg. Risk is everywhere, but smart people prepare for it. Why is risk management important? Let's say you open an ice cream shop. Sounds fun, right? But wait. What if it rains all summer? What if your freezer breaks? What if prices go up? All these things can hurt your business. That's where risk management helps. You buy an umbrella stand. You fix your freezer before it breaks. You save extra money just in case. Now you're ready for surprises. Like a boss. 5 simple steps of risk management. Here's how businesses manage risk in 5 easy steps. Identify the risk. What could go wrong? Rainy weather, broken machines, etc. Analyze the risk. How big is the risk? How likely is it? Evaluate or rank the risk. Which risks are small and which ones are serious? Treat the risk. What can you do to stop it or reduce it? Monitor the risk. Keep an eye on things and stay ready. It's like playing chess. You don't just move, you think ahead. Real life example. Let's say you're planning a school picnic. You check the weather. It might rain. So you bring umbrellas just in case. You pack extra snacks in case someone forgets. You take a first aid kit in case of scrapes. Guess what? You just managed risk like a pro. Life is full of risks, in school, at work, and even at home. But with risk management, we stay safe and smart. Remember, by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Benjamin Franklin. So whether you're running a business or riding your bike, always think ahead. Be ready and manage risk like a champion. If this helped you understand risk management, give it a like. Share in the comments what risks you faced and how you managed them. Subscribe for more fun, simple lessons in business.